Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AF3959 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. When installing the housing, be sure that the two tabs are properly seated. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.